You guys are in for a wild, wild ride.
Excuse me, would you mind buying this for my friends and I?
Hell. Ma is unassuming when you first meet her, and she comes across these kids and buys them liquor.
Oh, there's my girl.
This never happened.
Okay.
Thanks again for doing this, ma'am.
You guys want to party like rock stars?
Then she offers them her basement party. Welcome to Ma's.
Let's get filthy! Yeah!
She thinks she's the belle of the ball. Until the cool kids don't want to hang out with her anymore.
There's something off about Mom.
Seriously? She's harmless.
Are you guys mad at me for something?
I love
Hey, guys.
That bitch is crazy.
That rejection, she doesn't take it too well. She unravels.
Don't make me drink alone. Don't make me drink alone.
And then things go very, very wrong. This is the most fun I've had in a long time.